What's up, Mathis? Tapping the 50%. See if it reaches the high here. What's up, Mohammed? How's it going? How's it going? Violate this bearish SNDR, violate it. Tap our own. That would be a good confirmation of potential bullish order flow starting to give us a deeper pullback up from this 50%. But you can see we haven't even broken a high from the 1 minute, so definitely reason to keep staying on the short side until we see a violation of a bearish S&D and some highs broken. It's like both of those were could have shorted on that. Everything here, guys, is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you guys need financial advice, go find a financial advisor, certified financial advisor, where you reside. You know, this is strictly entertainment. Definitely won't learn anything on how to make money here. Definitely not. What's up, Void? I'm chilling. I'm chilling. I'm typically take Mondays really slow. Get back in the flow of things and whatnot. I've had like two trades literally like tap my order and then leave without filling me. It both went straight to TP. I've had a couple other trades like a tick away from hitting me. So oh man, definitely had a bit unlucky with getting in on trades. So I've only been only filled on one of my trades. Oh, I need to start doing market executions, I guess, or something. Because I've been trying a little bit of limits on Renko flips, kind of. But I've had one trade and it's a win, so we're good. We're up for the day. Not much, but I'll take it. We need some bearish S&D to get violated. or it'll just keep tapping and going down. Honestly, man, it's so tough for me to want to take continuation sells here when it's so low down here. We see all these rejections from the 50%. So at this, it's definitely tough, but every trade here would have been, just keep going with that stair step order flow. The highs weren't even broken on the 1 minute here. Not broken, not broken, not broken. This one broke higher, but it was just a trap to tap into higher S&D, go lower. Already was a flip down here. Yeah, what does it do? Price violates the bullish ones. Flip, LSD flip. Alright, good luck, Void. Little flag we're making. So, hmm. We gotta swipe these lows. Yep, there we go. Boom, boom. Prices. Eating. We got some strong eat on our side. We're really heading for these lows. We chillin', we chillin'. It's going, it's going pretty good. I mean, I can't complain. I'm not negative. But obviously, I know I could be doing, whoo, I could be doing so well. It's all good. We on the brink of doing some nutty numbers. Honestly, I feel it. I feel it so close. No, not actually. It's I'm manifesting it. Okay. Although my balance is the highest it's not high at all, but it's barely anything, but it's still the highest it's been. I'm trading this PA to never ever lose it, so yeah. Mm, Unfortunately, didn't. Ah, it swept it nicely on my other chart. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. How are you doing today, Metamorphosis? Metamorphosis. Hey, long name. It's not that long of a name, to be honest. The long name. How's it going, Ron? Hmm. What else is long? He must have something else that's long. It's just it shall not be named. He's the silent long name. That's his real name. I was hesitant to potentially enter here because it wasn't valid 1 minute swing. The 5 second swing zone. Tap the 30 of it. But appreciate it, man. Definitely will. Break this high. If we break this high, it's also kind of like an SNDR violation, along with the flip of the high that put in the low. But definitely fail here. Failing down here. Could potentially start ranging, so gotta be careful. You can see it's kind of flagging out. Yes, sir. Silent watcher named trader. Yeah. Broke out of that. Pulled back to the SD that created the break and trendline break. SDR flip as well. That was a juicy tiny zone. A little fractal hidden S&D on the 5 second. Break tap. Gotta watch here. Potential. Definitely got some potential here. Didn't close above here, so that's not great. Kind of makes this a weak low. Double top runs lows. So if we run the low, I honestly Don't know if it's gonna go that low though before we go higher. But I mean, double top pretty much says it will. But I just seeing what I see on the higher time frame, like we had our fake close below here, come back in with some level of flips, right? Like technically there's this hidden S&D, violated it, that made this hidden S&D, and we've just wicked through it, traded back in. Now we're getting a reversal pattern up, so I think that'll have more follow through before. Yeah, that's exactly what it did. New highs before touching the fulfilling this double top. Yeah, I knew that one wasn't. Like, does this show enough weakness to consider that a double top? I mean, it doesn't. Still looks like this could be the top now. Got another tap of that. Tap in 50% of that 5-second swing area. It's not too confirmed though, because we came up, tapped the start of the zone, and it forgot, or not forgot. Well, I guess so. Forgot to give us it forgot to give us our money down here. Another reason that that double top may have failed is look, first imbalance, tap. What does that do? Give us a new high. I mean, I guess by that time it already did do that. By the time this little push down came, so. Hmm. Make our own competition. Eventually, man. Eventually. That would be great. Have a competition for specific trading style as well. That'd be dope. What happened here? Goes. Thanks. Ah, taking the high. This 5-second zone. Hey, thanks. Thank you, Void. Thank you, V-Seal. Wick out here. Wick out previous candle, but see the glide is so nice. When it's pushing strong like this, big candles. What was my idea? I already forgot. Oh, the trading wasn't my idea, that's why. I mean, yeah, theoretically, if weak failure close below makes the high the draw. But I'm also gonna mark out the levels to see. Yeah, we're at the 50%. Obviously the 1 minute closed, but it's not valid because that belongs in a higher time frame and it did not close on a higher time frame like a 5 minute or whatever. An hourly imbalance we're looking at. Bibbidi bop right there. Yeah. Tap in 1 minute. SD. Tempting to short here, but it's way too bullish. That's a early short. Gotta let flips 5 second structure. Oh, but of course it would work out. Why wouldn't it? Fine. Mars? Long hindsight trader. Get some chat GPT to make some names for you. Yeah, this is kind of nice. We took the low. Still, it's still showing resistance pretty nice. Support. Bum, 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 bum. I guess this isn't a full valid zone. Wasn't a valid pullback. So might just come lower. See what happens when we tap this. Break that, which is also the structural 5 second low. Violate, break, to continue shorting. Everything is still pretty bullish though. Pretty much just in a range in all honesty. We're just coming from the bottom of range. Failed, so we're just expecting to go more so up here. Should be looking for shorts up here. Oops. Either look for shorts up here or more longs down here. Sweep this low or something would be a nice potential long. But if it goes back down here, it might just prove that it's a real flip and it wants to go bearish. No, would you look at that 50% tap of the S&D? I gotta just trust myself shorting up here. Psst. It's just a matter of being able to wait long enough and then seeing the success of being able to wait, right? You've got to be disciplined and see the actual result from being disciplined. If you're never disciplined and you can't do it well enough, your body doesn't know. You can't remember, your psychology can't remember that that's what you actually should be doing. So it keeps telling you, don't do this, don't do this. Well, you just got to force yourself to do it over and over and over till it's not uncomfortable anymore. Or just get good at being able to take smaller scalps. Like the reaction off here, I mean, in theory, you definitely could have took that. Didn't exactly follow what I like. I don't really like what Price is doing with this range. Look at that flip, tap 50%. That's the one that is gone. We got our manipulation, or accumulation, manipulation into zone. Take the lows, tap, even breaks high. Kind of S and DR flip. So when it flip, violate, tap. That one too, potential. Stoic entry or Dave? It's gone and tapped. Opposing SD, I don't like that. I know that makes the demand now in control. If it broke the low, tapped. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you could consider flip, tap, scalp, liquidate the lows with double bottom. It's kind of tricky. Kind of tricky. Or it's kind of like a double top here. So we should almost expect the low here as the draw on liquidity. So we need some lows to get ran. I do really like, honestly, this for shorts, but unfortunately didn't tap my area. How I 100% would have shorted here, but unfortunately the market didn't form it. I really really like this pattern. This big drop comes up to rebalance it with a double top. It's just beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pattern. Bouncy, bouncy. It's called, you see this box? You draw out bucks and you put buy limit orders right here, sell limit orders right here. Easy. I'm a millionaire. Oh yeah, Marcus. It's I've given you guys the tools. There is nothing stopping you. Like I if only I'd show you all the fangin' bombs today. I've deleted a lot, but man, every day they're so beautiful. I deleted some drawings that were old because I don't want every 5-second fangin' bomb that I draw up. Only the recent one really. Like I leave a lot of my stuff on the charts that I almost could delete, but can't be bothered. I just delete them out at the end of every day. So then when the next day comes, it's not like taking up extra resources because they do take up a lot of good amount of resources, the drawings. Kind of really like this, taking the low of this little fractal, hidden SD. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Whew. Swipe this high would be pretty nice. A structural 5-second high. 5-second structure still bearish until then. Unless you should have longed here. Should have longed there. The little consolidation, break down, tap SD, fill the Feigenbaum zone. Pretty nice. Little scalp up. I think I was showing some stuff. Where's this line? Oh, that's a 5-second flip. Bearish. Tap that with one of these SDs. I'm learning some Malaysian SNR right now because it's literally the same stuff. Double bottom. No, that would have been another nice scalp. Took out the low, previous 1 minute. Renko flip, zero drawdown, money in 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds maybe. Five-second flip, but we just flipped bearish. First flip could be fake, but this bearish flip also could be fake. So in reality, it is still bullish. But still, what are the odds that we need to liquidate lower, tap into some lower level, go higher? Could definitely work. If this SD fails to give new highs, then we're going to the origin somewhere lower. Ideally, go for this low. So many trades like what? Waiting for like a 5 second structural shift? Man, day's almost over. Wish I had those couple trades that ah they had to not film me. There was one so sad it literally tagged me in or tagged my order but didn't film me. And then shot to my take profit in 5 seconds. Sad. I would, but it's kind of a whole accumulation. Kind of want to dip down. Oh, I guess it kind of did. We really need to take the yeah, man. Definitely it's patience is a virtue. We are paid to wait. That's something from one of my early mentors that he drill into you. He drill into you. You're paid to wait. You're paid to wait. You're paid to wait. Right? Because you're paid to wait until your execution shows, and then you execute it, and you know you're literally paid technically to wait for it to show up. You gotta have that mindset flip. Right? Your job is simply to show up and execute the trades that show themselves. Like if you have your average performance, you could literally have like your hourly wage that you average made that month, and then you could almost be like, yeah, that's what my you know, what I make per hour. So if I just am on the charts waiting, and if my setup appears, if not, it all averages out. It's just kind of nice potential for shorts. Oh, don't you dare. Man, tapped opposing S&D. Uh, Makes this less weak or less strong, I mean. Uh, this is frustrating because I see that still going. Liquidating first flip is fake. First flip is fake, especially since it already tapped opposing SD, and it's not even a 5-second. But is it magic that we stopped at this level? Isn't that magic? I was really wanting to short here. That's 5 points right there, bang. But had to tap. Stupid. I really like that. That's actually so nice. Because from this 5-second flip, we tapped to 50%, wicked the high of the fractal SNDR, which is my favorite, and we got the wick previous candle, Renko flip, tap. I mean, it met the rules. It didn't meet this rule. This rule, damn. Yeah, I pretty much saw that. When I tuned in, he was like real close to getting that drawdown. How much did that lag affect him? Like, did that totally mess him up? Like, I mean, I'm assuming. How could it not? We're going yeet, yeet. Ah, that was so quick. Dang, yeet, yeetimus. But yeah, that trade, if I sold to opposing SD, shit. Yeah, it's all, ah, man. If only we could trade a little bit of my, I'm tapping this level now after filling this one to the tick. It's kind of tough to enter on a freaking candle like that. It's like, uh, hmm. Hey, it's all good. At least it was just one little eval. We don't have any earnings today, right? Right. Is that right? Oh, we do. Nothing big though. Only a few billies. Probably won't really do anything. Superconductors. Interesting. Hmm. Let's go, blue. That's what it's all about. Improvement every day. Starting to tap this SDR zone. What are we doing? What are we doing? 30 fails. Basically in the SD. I'll run my stop loss. Shit, you gotta make me enter a trade first. Wick didn't tap it. Didn't close. Hmm. Jeez. Wasn't anything kind of clean that I liked. The tap here would have been the one. Happened real quick. Wasn't the best symmetry. Didn't close higher here. But I mean, in essence, it was kind of a candlestick flip. It wicked above here at first. Wicked above this high. Low bearish candle. Came back, tapped SD. R responsible for breaking this one. SD flip, tapped it. They're a nice first leg, second leg tap. It's actually real nice. What's my Insta? I don't really have an Insta for trading at least. I have a personal one, but haven't said that. I don't know if I wanna. I don't know. So I don't know if I want to do an Insta because then that's more people, way more scams. Like people will get scammed like crazy on Insta. Like I'll literally make an Instagram account and right away there's gonna be like 10 fake pages. Like if you think Discord is bad with scamming, like Instagram, oh my god. I don't need to do it, so I might in time if I really like if I actually start doing some marketing to try to grow, then I will maybe, but I don't care enough right now. It's going a little too quick, man. Like it would have been beautiful to have a nice clean. What I look for is a flip kind of around this size with this nice symmetry. But by the time it did like a flip like this, it's like, or even if you look at the flip like this, the two leg tap. If only this was a reversal bar low, it would have been perfect. Oh, I'm not actually doing a withdrawal today. That's just in the title to manifest it. It's gonna happen though. The next withdrawal is definitely the goal. Next withdrawal cycle. So when is that? The 14th? That's the goal by the 14th. To have it eligible, or well, whenever, just within that pay period, because it's like a what Apex gives you 5 day period, I think. So damn, that is a big. Oh man, I've only got that cell. It's just not clean. Nothing clean formed. Should have took this cell up here, but it's kind of. What's wrong with that one? I don't even know. Are you gonna tap me in or not? Nope. Dang. Man, it's really not. Oh, that's just sad. Half a point away from tapping me and giving me my entry for the win. Bugger. Bugger, mate. Literally, dude, that's like my day, bro. It's been really crazy. Definitely been lots I've missed, but oh my god. Mm-mm-mm. Didn't tap the 30 either. Well, damn, dude. It's all good. It's all good. There's gonna be so many trades this week. Jesus Christ. Pepe did 43 trades. That's just nuts. Nuts. Bonkers. Oh, well. Dang, that kind of sucks. Yeah. 4 hours. And now it's sleeper hour. Yay. Yeah, it was definitely a roller coaster, that's for sure. I could definitely do it when I get there, but like I definitely saw that many trades today easily. I mean, look at all these blue boxes. Technically, almost every one of these little blue boxes and could have been a trade almost. There's a lot I didn't draw earlier. I think I deleted my drawings, but it's a crap ton of trades you can find. Pepe, how much coffee you have there, bud? Oh, that'd be funny. What are some people saying in the chat? Yeah. It's all good, man. Our brains are too quick for our hands. Brains too quick for our hands, man. All right. I don't know if I want to do some back testing live. I don't know. I think I just want to. Damn, I wish I got some trades there live. God dang. Some earnings, eatings. Well, it's a good trading session, nevertheless. Came out green. Accounts. Highest it's been. Can't be too mad. I gotta say bring it on more. You guys gotta yell at, just spam in the chat, bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on, trade. Show me that you're gonna be a loser. Like, oh man. It's okay, it's okay. We'll get there, we'll get there. I took a trade today. Oh, that's minimum at least. Okay. Very nice. Well, we will be back on tomorrow. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna go prepare. We're a high level performer. I will see you guys later. Not 100% sure what time I'll start streaming tomorrow, but figure it out. We'll get there when we get there. It's a future me problem. Okay, I'm ending the stream, guys. Hope you guys had a good day. You learned some stuff. You got better. Write down in your journal maybe some things on maybe that you think you could do better or what you did good. You know, get some emotion journaling going. I gotta trust myself more. You know, there's an exercise you guys could do, which is have like a really, really, really deep thought. Like, imagine, okay, you're on your deathbed and you get to meet your future highest potential you. You know, are you that person on the deathbed? Are you that person, or are you somebody totally else? Right? So it's up to you what you want. Like, you gotta really think. What's one thing that future you would tell you? What's that one thing? What's that one piece of advice? And I thought about it for quite a few minutes, and I'm like, yo, I need to trust myself more. With a lot, not even just trading. But anyways, guys, think about it, man. What's that one thing? You know, there's a book also called The One Thing. It's a good book. Anyways, boys, peace out. Thank you, Void. Thank you, Aster. Thank you, Distribution. Mexi Fasto. Mexi Fatso. Nice name. The long name, Slong Dong. WP Capital. Metamorphosis Marcus. Everyone there. Bless you guys. We'll be back. Rajik, not yet, not yet. Okay? This next cycle. It's coming this next cycle. But yeah, I appreciate it. You know, it's already happened. It's already done, technically. Aurelius, no, thank you. Appreciate you for being here. I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom's too crowded.